Tag, mein Name ist Patricia Bauer. Ich würde Ihnen gerne ein bisschen über mich persönlich was erzählen. Ich wohne zurzeit in Deutschland in der Nähe von Stuttgart und meine Familie, die ist ursprünglich aus Deutschland, ist aber vor längerer Zeit nach Südamerika gezogen, also ausgewandert. Meine Eltern hatten diesen Schritt gemacht und aus diesem Grund habe ich dann Spanisch und Deutsch als Muttersprache gelernt und habe auch direkt nach meinem Schulabschluss Deutsch unterrichtet. Das heißt, ich bin schon seit über 20 Jahren dabei, Deutsch als wunderbare Sprache weiterzugeben. Ich unterrichte für Anfänger, auch für Fortgeschrittene und Business Deutsch. Our live online classes at Vantisco, which is a leading IT services, digital marketing and training company at the historic center of Milan, are virtual classes which you can just attend sitting at home or in your office. Why is it so important to learn German? German is a language not just spoken in Germany, but also in Switzerland, in Austria, and in many other countries. But also there are many companies around the world with German leaders. So this language is actually very well represented. Our German class it's very important for me to teach you good pronunciation in German, but also the grammar, the whole structure in German grammar, and the way to communicate should be very clear and easy for you to understand. So I would first give you the theory or the grammar structure, and after that practice with you with exercises, maybe speaking exercises or written exercises. Both are very important. So you would learn the language very well, and I want my students to be very confident. If you don't understand some explanations or you need more detailed explanations, I will be available for you and also prepare some extra exercises for you if you need them. I hope you enjoy our German class and see you soon. Bye bye.